Hello, fellow YouTube viewers. Welcome to Joel's Kingdoms single player Minecraft. It is hard mode, so there are still spider mobs and skeletons out during the daytime. Oh, fuck. That creeper almost blew up on me. Right now I'm collecting some sand to make a cool window outside of my base. Show you guys. Alright, 18 chance to do it. Sand. Check out my base, guys. It's pretty decent. Only took me a couple days to make this so far. Got a back door and a front door to come through. Pretty sick. Basic items. This is just a simple how-to video on how to make a window outside of your base. I completed that section of the window, and it looks like this when you come outside of the base. Looks a lot more cooler from this side even. Probably gonna add more onto the sides and the back. Make it look cooler. Alright guys, that was just a simple how-to video on how to make a window outside of your base. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for my channel for more videos.